I love an intro. I tell you what you in for, but I never really been the type of dude to give no info. But if you see your end slow, you trying to get a benzo, I'll give your ass a game that'll change the way that you think, bro. Super skilled with the pencil, super ill in my mental. I reminisce on life, I'm nice, here's my memento. Get it through your tempo, I get on any tempo. And give it all I got, I'm hot, I got like 10 flows. Trying to live on the 10th floor, across from residentials that I own. My mind stayed grown, I used to think clothes, I really used to think hoes, and what I do to get those. And then I switched it up, I'm only thinking potential. Yeah, look, like what you do, baby. How you thinking, what's your vision, how you move, baby. Yeah, and is you cool, baby? You thinking building, then that's something we could do, baby. Yeah, like what you do, baby. How you thinking, what's your vision, how you move, baby.
What is up, everybody? So last night I did a little bit of adjustments on the Feal coilovers. If you haven't seen that video, it's the one before this video, so go check it out. And I got the ride height pretty close to where I want it. So today we're breaking them right in at Lime Rock Racetrack. We're going for the Modified Machines JDM versus Muscle event, hosted by Alex Battori, the founder of Modified Machines. Slip Angle Boys will be there, 413RC will be there, so we'll get some sick drone shots, maybe a little RC on track action. So right away, go check out his channel. Well, after this video, go check out his channel. And yeah, we'll get right to it. Should be a good, fun day. Also, I got a diff in the car now, so should be able to drift, hopefully. So first impressions on the street, I haven't really gotten into the corners yet, but it rides real nice and smooth, which I'm so happy with, because a lot of times when you do coilovers, it makes the ride a lot harsher. These feel great, so can't wait to see what they feel like on track.
What's up, cuz?
You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Jay brought all the bashers.
I was driving down the...
Hey, buddy.
Is this your dog?
I wish. What's that noise? It's all these turbo noises.
What's up, everybody? We're here with Vinny. We just did a rip in his E92 M3, so look out for that video.
I don't think I've ever been in a convertible.
Oh,
I don't think I've ever been in a convertible.
Really?
I don't think so.
All right, Feal 441 coilovers, diff. It's all new, first time on track. It's still slow. I didn't have a chance to do the brakes, but they're alright. Organo brakes. We'll get better.
slow.
Oh yeah. But it's fun. 'Cause you're always to the floor.
It's funny because you have to push it.
Yeah.
It's crazy because like between this and my M3, I can hit 20 miles an hour faster up this street up here. It's a big difference.
Yeah, what am I even hitting?
Huh?
What am I hitting? I wasn't even
60.
looking. 60. Yeah, 65.
This thing handles well. It's impressive.
Yeah. Way better than before.
Didn't lose the hat either.
Yeah, hat's still on. That's because we were only going 20.
Yeah.
Alright, I think I'm going to make a few adjustments. Take a little bit of air out of the front and stiffen it up just a little bit. Play it.
It's playing.
You hear that, GoPros? You hear that crap? Oh my god, look how many cars there are.
Jesus.
Well, I guess we just gotta go though, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
we're recording all around.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just go.
Yeah. Jesus. Holy.
You alright with the drone?
Yeah.
Look at this cone. Just tell me if I gotta slow down or
No, you're good.
Oh, snappy. Feels a lot different now.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so we're back out in the Miata. I made the front 4 clicks softer. This cone is really jocking my chain. And the rear 2 clicks stiffer. And I took a little pressure on the front tires. Already feels a little better. A lot of dirt on the track too. Messy.
I might throw up looking at this little screen. at this screen really threw me off. Holy shit.
Let's see if it's still there. Well, at least it drifts a little bit. Hey, it's still there. Well, that's good. Alright, Jay, don't throw off. What a day. Another great day at Lime Rock. There's 413 RC behind me. And Jedi. So, I want to wrap up my thoughts on these coilovers because while I'm driving, it's hard to convey everything I'm thinking all at once. Pros. Just about everything. I mean, the one thing that I was worried about with buying, well, budget coilovers, not really budget, but they're under $1,500. I was worried that they might ride harsh. That's not the case at all. I could drive this car all over the place. It soaks up bumps like you wouldn't believe. It's very stable. I took this on a road trip to upstate New York. Lots of highway driving, lots of back road driving, and it was fine. I wasn't getting beat up at all. On the track, with a few adjustments, which is super simple with the dials, you could get this thing to drive however you want. I never hit the bump stops. When the rear end comes loose, it's very controlled, I guess you could say. The clips you saw in this video is with an alignment that was all out of whack, and I had a lot of rear camber. But since then I've gotten an alignment and it's already night and day difference. I mean, this thing drives absolutely incredible. Really, I can't recommend these coilovers enough. If I had to give you some cons, I would say the locking collar, the bottom collar, only in the front. It's right in line with the front control arm, so it's just a little bit difficult to get your spanner wrench around it without slipping off. But that's not a big deal because I'm not going to adjust this a million times. I think I got it just where I want. I guess if I had to say another negative is that they come, well, it's not really a negative, it's just something to be aware of. The rears come absolutely slammed out of the box. So if you buy these coilovers, I would do what I learned to do and set it to max ride height. So that's 20 millimeters worth of thread inside of the bottom collar. So set it there, install it, and then go lower if you have to. But I don't know if you can see, but this is max ride height in the rear, and the fronts are fine. There's plenty of adjustments. So really, I love them. I mean, 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10. Thank you all for watching this video, and thank you, I have a bunch of people to thank. I will put everyone's information in the description below. So let me see if I could name everyone off the top of my head. Jeff, all the drone shots, the FPV drone shots, the beauty drone shots, the Insta 360 go-to shots, that's all from my buddy Jeff Lazazra at 413RC. Go check him out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all things RC cars, drones. He's the man. Matthew Mx5, my buddy Matt, he did a lot of those slow-mo shots and outside shots. He got some sick shots of me and sent it over, so thank you, Matt. Thank you, Alex Battori from Modified Machines, for hosting these events. Keep them coming. I love these events at Lime Rock. Check his website out, modifiedmachines.com, and sign yourself up for a track event if you're local to Connecticut or anywhere in New England. Thanks, Lime Rock Park, obviously. And Leon, my buddy Leon, sent me his music. He is an insane rapper.
Reminiscing, steady changing the vision. I'm operating dolo cause niggas changing positions. Refuse to stay inefficient, refuse to stay in the trenches. I'm doing everything that I do to stay independent.
And he just needs to get noticed. I mean, he's getting into tech now, but his rap is amazing. That's the beginning intro song was by him, and I'll
end this video with some more music by him. But thank you, Leon. I'll give the link to his website, his SoundCloud, all that stuff in the description. So thank you all. Thanks Feal for making, Feal and Goodwin Racing for making a great product. And yeah, I can't wait to go back to Lime Rock now that I have a proper alignment. If you want, I'll do a video on the alignment settings that I got. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you dislike it, that's completely fine. But at least leave a comment why you dislike it, instead of just hiding behind your keyboard saying, oh, I'm gonna dislike it. Not that I really care, but if there's any constructive criticism, I'll take it, because this is what I want to do ultimately. So I just want to improve and improve and improve on every video. So thank you all that have been supporting me so far. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And really, man, the focus is just leveling up. Cause I know the life I want, I'm just setting it up. Removing those that's close who try messing it up. Can't wait for champagne toast with the relevant bunch. Like, what's up? Yeah, like what you do, homie? What's your vision? How you thinking? How you move, homie?